At 6:15 here on a Tuesday morning, our heat is only going to continue to build today, tomorrow, and Thursday. That excessive heat warning that is in effect for the entire state of Iowa now runs through 7 p.m. on Thursday. And that's because for the next 3 days, our heat index could be as high as 110 to 115. Now, the sun is coming up on a very warm and steamy morning. 75 degrees, the dew point around 73. We do have some fog, the humidity actually helping produce that fog. And visibility is fairly low in southern Iowa, down to just a quarter mile in Ottumwa and down to nothing in Creston. So please be careful on your morning commute. Now, I do expect the fog to mix out pretty quickly later this morning. We will see less cloud cover today and full sunshine, which means it's going to be warmer, and I think it will be pretty darn hot by the middle of the afternoon. 94 by 2 o'clock, 97 the temperature about 4 p.m. I'm calling for a high of 98. Now, the last 2 or 3 days, we've come up just shy of our forecast expectations, so I've dialed the temp back a little bit. But remember, we're splitting hairs at this point because it is still going to be so exceptionally humid, and so it will make it feel pretty bad no matter what the actual air temperature is. Tomorrow gets a little bit hotter. This will really be our best chance for hitting triple digits, I think, on Wednesday. The high 101 in Des Moines. And then on Thursday, the high temperatures will be near 100 again. Now, today by noon, the heat index will already be between 105 and 110. By the late afternoon today, 5 p.m., heat index statewide ranges from 110 to as high as 113. It'll be pretty darn hot again during the day tomorrow with the humidity. By lunchtime, heat index will be between 110 and 112, and it will stay very high heading into the late afternoon hours tomorrow. This heat ridge or big dome of heat will not break down until Friday and Saturday when we go back to what we call northwesterly flow. That'll bring in some cooler temperatures and maybe a slight chance of rain, but overall, I think we still will be mainly dry. The high on Friday goes down to 90. A couple of isolated storms will be possible early in the day. Saturday's high only 85. On Sunday, the high is only 80. Next week does look warm, but obviously not nearly as hot as this week.